fish raw. Ay, see me with the money, now they wanna call. Ay, now they wanna listen to the shit I said. I'm just tryna have you naked all up in my bed. Ay, ay, put 2 shots inside my head. Try to save me, but you left my soul beside your leg. Ay, call me crazy, but you such a fan. Ay, all I see is red until the day I'm dead. Ay, ay, Jane, Mary Jane, I don't like you, Mary Jane. With the gang, OT gang, 40 deep, we sliding, nigga, what's the info? Ay, ay, what's your info? Ay, yeah, my bitch sweet, candy cane, acting like you know my name. It's a shame, all these niggas pillow talking, pussy nigga, what's the info? Ay, ay, what's your info? Ay, yeah.
Okay guys, today is a big day. We are painting this thing. It's gonna get all scratched up on the trail, so I'm not worried about it being beautiful. I don't want to spend a ton of time on it. Anyway, yes, so it's about ready to go. Sanded it, cleaned it, taped it all up, as you can see. I mean, this whole process has been like an easy 2 weeks, working on it basically every day. It's insane how long this takes. And I don't know why it takes so long, but it just does. So anyway, though, it's basically ready to go. I got some small things I got to do still, but we are painting it today. So this is gonna be a nice backyard paint job, or garage paint job, I guess. But if I can do it, anyone can. So let's go. Okay, so first things first, she's getting some self-etching primer and some of the spots that really need it, guys. I'm not sanding the whole thing down and then priming it, because that would take like a billion years. But the paint, I did a test panel. The paint seems to stick to this caulk really well. Even if you don't sand it, it's actually not bad. But put it on my respirator. But yeah, it seems to stick to it really well. So I don't see any need to full on sand it down to bare metal. And I don't have the patience for that. Okay. There's a few small spots, like the bed, and on top of the rivets, I will need this stuff. I don't want to have a paint flaking off, because once it starts, it'll probably get worse and worse. So I'm just going to take a minute and spray some primer on it.
I'm waiting on trial, and it's been a while, and I ain't got time for emotion. While you walking aisles, I'm running miles, and I ain't got time to be coasting. So look at my file, I'm counting piles of money from dreams and devotion. Sleeping on the ground, I thought our lives.
Okay guys, so we got the paint all mixed up. Got the reducer, everything mixed in. I advise you guys just follow whatever it says on the can if you're a new painter. If you have been painting for a while, you already know what you're doing, so you don't have to watch this video for advice. But I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the gun, and we'll get underway here soon. And if you're wondering if I'm nervous, the answer is yes. I'm incredibly nervous. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just don't want it to look like complete ass. That's kind of my goal. So I think that's pretty damn good. It's a very wide fan. Yeah, I think we're good there. First coat is going to be pretty light, just because I found that works better, and then the coats after that tend to stick to it better. So we're going to start light, and then we're going to do medium, medium. I plan on doing 3 coats. I'll do 4 if I have to, but hopefully 3 will be enough. So let's get started.
Nice pistol, mine is chrome. Where'd I get this wrist full of shiny stones? By writing these live books, rhymes, and poems. Swollen his back to reclaim the throne. Kingdom come, baseline, so bring them drums. This is game time, play mine, we're number 1. Kingdom come, baselines, bring them drums. This is game time, play mine, we're number 1.
I'm a jacked up motorhead, yup, sipping a soda pop. Trouble on my block, not a shock, we don't go to cops. We make house calls with shotguns and loaded glocks. Golden platinum plaques back to back, cause we sold a lot. Every day I come home with more than I left with. Writing raps, setting traps, getting cash on my extra. A battle axe attached to my necklace. Fuck around, that's a death wish. I'm building with my fans to perfect this. Especially fresh to death, that's what the click is. People say you're mad child, that white boy the sick is. Ridiculously particular, kicking up dust. Definitely the next blow, so shut the fuck up. Back to reclaim the throne, but brought some friends along. We got the Bentley, got the Benz, we got the engines on. Bitches in bikini, studio at the crib. I'm in the hot tub popping pills and eating ribs with a bib. I'm drinking Pepsi, watching Scarface in the theater room. 2 cuties rubbing my shoulders, putting me in the mood. Life's good, and I ain't got no problem sharing the wealth with my bros. No point in being at the top of yourself.
Nice whip, yo, mine is fast. Where'd I get this fat pocket full of cash? I'm selling yayo, Mary Jane, and hash. Battle axe is back, and yeah, we came to smash. Kingdom come, baselines, so bring them drums. This is game time, play mine, we're number 1. Kingdom come, baselines, bring them drums. This is game time, play mine, we're number 1.
Baby, I know you see me looking hard through binoculars. Young money, fat knots, African rocks for you. KC, battle axe, cha-ching, we mop it up. Vanity dot, nobody stopping us. Rappers talk tough, end up calling the cops on us. You rather shoot it out, you don't want to box with us. Pocket full of high notes, so I call it the opera. Mobster, used to eating steaks and lobsters.
Ayo, my game is proper and my aim is to guap up. You should never throw rocks at the throne. My nights real dawns like Al Capone. Run up in your crib, snatch you out of your home. Split your wig and blow your mind out of your soul, asshole. I only beef with those impeding my cash flow. I think things through before letting the Mac go. But oh no, young Trizzle was not so.
Nice pistol, mine is chrome. Where'd I get this wrist full of shiny stones? By writing these live books, rhymes, and poems. Swollen his back to reclaim the throne. Kingdom come, baselines, and bring them drums. This is game time.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so things... Kick something over. Things did not go as planned. Long story short, it got way too fumy in here. I had a respirator, I was all good, but even with this whole booth set up, and I already tore part of it down, but that was closed off. Everything, a big yellow fan going, everything I could. It was just too much fumes. And it was getting up into the living areas, the hallways and stuff of the condo. Not so much the paint, but just the smell. So I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting if anything was a problem, there would be a lot of paint and fumes getting into the other side of the garage, which is why I did such a good job of taping all this off. But no, so the smell actually got under this little crack in the door. But this right here, unbelievably, it got under that small crack. So, and the smell it wasn't awful, but it was enough to where people were noticing it. And I'm only on my first coat of paint, and I've got a lot to go. I've got 2 more coats of base and then 3 coats of clear, maybe more. So I didn't want to push the issue. I didn't want the cops calling me or whatever, and I don't want my neighbors to hate me forever. So I just stopped. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this to another location and paint it outside. because that's really all my options. I didn't want to have to do that, but you know what, if a bug or two lands in the paint, it's not the end of the world. This is an off-road paint job, and it is what it is. So let me show you the first coat though. It looks really sick. Honestly, I know it was a fail, but I am freaking psyched at how cool this looks. I mean, I'm just excited for the end product. This is sweet. Look at this paint. I mean, this is really cool. I don't know what, I'm almost more excited about the inside than the outside, even though a lot of it's gonna get covered up. This is really cool. So, this thing will look pretty good. One of the other fails is I forgot these stickers were there. So, there's gonna be an indentation. Other than that, I did a pretty good job of getting it good, but looks like the paint adhered to it really well. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad. I think it's gonna stick, so that's exciting, really. Check it out. Got some chipped up areas like that. They don't look bad though. But this is gonna be sick. I cannot wait. Alright, seriously though, thanks guys for your support. I'll see you in the next one. We'll get clear on it. We'll get the extra base on it. It's gonna look awesome.